CARSJADE, where we stay chill while exploring fierce new rides. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N, a high-performance electric sedan that's stepping up the N-Series game with style, speed, and surprising fun. Hyundai's Ioniq 6N builds on the sleek Ioniq 6 silhouette with a bold and performance twist, offering 641 horsepower and corner-craving dynamics. It's a seductive blend of EV comfort and track-day grit. This isn't your average sedan, even among EVs. The Ioniq 6N boasts widened wheel arches, a swan neck rear wing reminiscent of GT3 racers, and a ducktail spoiler that contributes to its track-ready stance. A performance blue pearl paint with orange accents wraps the car in visual attitude. Expect forged wheels, red brake calipers, and aggressive aero bits up front and rear, signaling its performance bias. Inside the cabin, you get sporty bolstered seats, an exclusive steering, and a tech-rich cockpit similar to the Ioniq 5N. Ambient lighting shifts with simulated gear changes, while N-Track Manager, Launch Control, and Drift Optimizer modes give you full performance immersion. Expect N-badging throughout and driver data feedback via the infotainment. Under the skin, the Ioniq 6N uses the same dual-motor AWD setup and 84 kWh Gen 4 battery as the Ioniq 5N. It pushes out 601 horsepower normally, with up to 641 horsepower and 568 lb-ft torque in N-Grin boost for 10 seconds. That muscle propels the sedan from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds and a top speed of 160 miles per hour. The chassis is re-engineered with stiffened suspension, stroke-sensing dampers, improved bracing, 15.7 front brakes, and precision torque distribution, so it handles as hard as it looks. On the WLTP cycle, expect around 291 miles of range. Roughly 13 miles more than the 5N thanks to the sedan's aerodynamics. EPA figures should land in the mid-200-mile range. The 800-volt platform supports ultra-fast 350 kilowatts DC charging, reaching 80% in just 18 minutes. The Ioniq 6N debuted at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in July 2025 and is slated to arrive in US dealerships in spring 2026, with global rollouts staggered. Only 6,000 units will be built annually. Pricing is expected to begin around $65,000 to $68,000, placing it squarely between the Ioniq 6 and the Ioniq 5N. The 2026 Ioniq 6N delivers a rare combo: high-performance EV thrills, fastback elegance, and N-Series fun for a modest price. It leverages cutting-edge tech, punchy power, and racetrack readiness, but retains the luxury comfort of an EV sedan. If you're after sporty and sustainable without luxury price tags, this might be the pick of the performance EV bunch. That's it for the 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 6N. If you're vibing with this electric powerhouse, smash that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe to CARSJADE so you never miss our latest deep dives. Got thoughts? Range versus track, looks versus performance? Drop them below. We'd love to hear your take. Catch you next time. Stay charged and drive fun.